Welcome back to Immigration Insight. The number of kids from Kerala going to school outside of Kerala seems to be decreasing. Countries like Canada, the UK, and Australia have made it harder to get into their schools, which has caused more student visas to be turned down.
Private companies in Kerala that have sprung up in the last 3 to 4 years to help kids study abroad have been put under a lot of stress by the strict rules. A lot of these organizations are having a hard time right now, and some are almost forced to close or lay off staff. Renu A., managing director of Godspeed, a visa and study abroad company in Kochi, says that the number of these agencies will drop from 4,000 to 2,000. In fact, one big company has already let go of 150 workers.
Countries like Canada, the UK, and Australia, previously popular among Keralite students, have recently tightened their rules. For example, while spouses and children used to accompany the main applicant, now only the main applicant's visa is being approved.
Australia has put in place new rules that will take force on July 1st. Students must now show that they have 29,000 Australian dollars, 16 rupees lakh, in their bank accounts for costs. This is an increase from 24,000 Australian dollars, 13 rupees lakh. Also, onshore visa applications, which let people with a tourist visa apply for a student visa, are no longer allowed in Australia. Also, once a student finishes a course in the same category, they can't take another course in the same category unless they move on to a higher level, like a master's program.
Many students from Kerala end up in low-rated institutions abroad. A professor at Central University of Kerala named Amrit G. Kumar says that Indian law only recognizes graduates from the top 200 colleges in the world. Students from schools that aren't as well known may have trouble getting government work or going to college in India.
Renu A. talked about how the market for studying abroad is in trouble and pointed out how many agencies there are. Many of these agencies have connections to universities through third parties. This model can't go on forever. If a student ends up at a lower-ranked school, their future is unclear, and many may end up in less suitable job markets abroad.
Students from lower-middle-class families make up a large part of those studying abroad, and they frequently take out loans or sell things to pay for their education. It's most possible that these students will be hit the hardest by the current economic crisis. They might have to find low-paying jobs in places like Dubai. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.